Hello guys, isang magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Pupunta tayo doon sa Pontorin, Valenzuela.
Basura, lumabas na! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, ma'am, sir. Wherever you are in the Philippines, thank you.
Ka ba galing?
I coming from my Manuka.
Okay. Anong nationality mo?
I'm coming from North Korea and from Carolina. North Carolina.
Okay. Imported pala ito.
Yes, I'm
Oh.
living in the Philippines, but now I want to go back in my country because
how long?
Philippines is no good right now,
no good. So,
especially the salary.
how long you stay here in the Philippines?
Almost 10 years. Then
10 years. So it means
I put up
one
my-
decade.
I will put up my business here, but right now, no.
Ano, so naging sabongero ka na ngayon.
Yes, of course. By the way, I going back in.
How about the one?
Still, yeah.
The vlog.
The vloggers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, kita kukulit na mga kaibigan natin dito, no. Disiplina, no. Makulit yan sila dito, grabe. Pero masaya. Ayan,
Yan, nag-video ka?
Kaya disiplina dito. Yan, diba? Okay guys, bye bye.